What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are hitting the road, and if you saw my last vlog, you saw that I got a pocket listing from a local listing agent that I've been working with. She sent me a deal off market. Seller wanted to sell because the contractor kind of dipped out on him and the rehab job was about halfway done. So we wanted to sell. We went out there, showed up, walked through it. Seller showed up. I made the offer right there. We shook on it. Contracts got signed today. And then she tells me that he has 3 more properties that he wants to sell. He gave her the keys to them. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna check out those properties, see if we can also get offers in, get offers accepted. And my mind is pretty much blown right now because I'm going from having zero, experience rehabbing and flipping properties, doing a couple of wholesale deals, well, more than a couple, doing some wholesale deals, and now trying to rehab and burr my own properties. So hopefully things go well today. Let's go. I think the house was in really good condition. There might, oh, they have a stop sign, my bad. There might be a little bit of foundation issues, possibly like a plumbing leak, but nothing that was, gonna be super extensive. So I will definitely make an offer on that one. Budgeting for somewhere between 5 to 10 grand of foundation issues. Really not many cosmetic updates that are needed either. And then, burr it and keep it as a rental. The next house we're going to is one that I believe the rehab is about halfway done, same as yesterday's property, and we'll see what happens. All right, let's go see what this next house is looking like. So looking at that one, freshly remodeled, so that'll be a really good comp to tell us what it's worth, after we get it back into nice livable condition. That one? For sure. No one's here? Okay.
Oh God, the smell.
So, just look, there's a piece of trim missing from above the door.
Do you think that smell is tied to water damage? Because it smells like stinky tepid water. Ooh, and that one too.
So, looks like they didn't paint yet.
No.
Maybe? I can't really tell. Maybe they're strange.
I really hate that smell.
Doors. Cabinets look great. I think these are the same countertops as the one from the other place.
They were really obsessed with being regular. There were several things. Yeah, this seems like a lot more stuff.
My guess is that they did some electrical work because this is the electrical box, and then you can see that they cut in to where those wires are coming down. So we'll have to see what work they did, or maybe they just cut in and didn't finish it. Gotta see what needs to be finished. Oh, no plumbing in for the sink yet. These are really painted shut. So you got your plumbing connections, and then still gotta have the countertop company come cut the spot for the sink.
What in the world?
So if you come to the other side, this is the furnace. Actually, doesn't look bad. There's a faucet in here, so don't freak out. No flooring down in here yet.
Popcorn sealer.
Yeah, but at least it's been painted. You see the ceilings now? Yeah. They look better. Like they must have painted them or something.
Still look like popcorn.
Yeah. It's probably cheaper to do this than to, scrape them. Also, okay, this is a throwback. If this doesn't remind you of elementary school, this flooring, I don't know what does. Look at this. Clear, part of what you're smelling is that there's no toilets. And so it's my sewer water.
Oh. Gross.
I was saying that flooring in there reminds me of elementary school. Yeah. So we've got 1, 2 bedrooms. Three bedrooms.
Yeah, do you think this feels like 980 square feet?
It feels a little bigger.
That's what I thought. But that's what the tax records say.
So 3 bedroom, 1 bath. Okay.
Yeah. Look at this. It's not that old.
Yeah, I did. It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
New dishwasher.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, almost done. It doesn't actually look too bad.
Yeah.
Like, none of this wood looks rotted or anything.
You plan on leaving like the grill?
Maybe. So one thing with the brick siding we're looking for is, again, whether or not we've got those traveling cracks. So I'm just gonna walk around the outside and look. And also, looks like something's
Ooh,
going
basketball.
on with the focus. Looks like something's going on with the AC. But I am seeing right here, again, you've got the white caulking where they tried to repair this crack. Doesn't look too bad though. So the brick doesn't look bad, but it does look like under the windows, you see, that's where there's just a little bit of cracking. It's not bad. This is what I saw at the other place too, where somebody's gone ahead and tried to caulk up the cracking.
And down here, what do you think this green and yellow stuff is?
Water splashing up off the concrete.
Okay, so nothing bad.
Some algae, you know.
Okay.
Did you see if there were floor vents or ceiling vents for the AC? Ceiling, okay, great. Okay. So one thing is that if you have floor vents and there's foundation issues, then when you fix the foundation issues, it's probably gonna crush the vents, the air ducts in the ground. So having them in the ceiling makes it easier. It's like looking at, you know, the cracking. If there is something that needs to be repaired, it's better to have those in the ceiling.
Yeah, it looks. I like that back.
Yeah, they laid the new concrete pad. It just looks good. Painted the brick.
It'll help this house.
Yeah, definitely.
Let me see the comp site.
This roof, it doesn't look horrible, but
It doesn't look nice.
it doesn't look new. No, not like the other one. But I will say, like, while you're looking in, you don't see a bunch of shingles popped up, but just on the edges where like it started to deteriorate, and if you zoom in on that corner, it got a little bit of wood rot.
Several houses around here sold for 128, but they were a little bigger. They're like 1,100 square feet. This one's like the smallest one. So what did I come up with? I think I left that at my office, so I'll have to do that. But
So you said like 120 something were the bigger ones?
yeah.
Okay. I've got this one at 110.
Okay.
So 110, 110, 115, probably pretty close.
Yeah, I think I had 114 maybe.
Okay. Cool. I think, yeah, I'll make an offer on both of them.
Okay.
Can we go see 411 so I can get back in
Let
and
me
get
call
pictures?
him and ask him, and then you want, but to make an offer on the other one, you want to do instructions on it?
No, I'll offer. I'll
make an
just
offer?
assume it needs some time.
Okay, because he doesn't, like, that's why he loved when you made an offer yesterday.
Yeah.
It was fine.
Yeah, I'll still go for it. The comps are small. Everything over here is only 1,000, 1,100 square feet. So
it has to be a good price point.
So it'll still get the same rent as the ones that are a little bit bigger. And then because it's a little smaller, I adjusted the price down a little. So
If they came there to you, they would not make out on me on this. Because there's not much upside.
So are you wanting to show your parents?
yeah, and I need to get some measurements and some pictures. Okay, so on the second house that we saw today, we'd be right around 50,000 on the offer. That's assuming that our ARV is going to be around 110, and we can refinance out, get 82,500 back, Then off of that, we've got our $20,000 of rehab. Puts us at $62,500. So this is the one that we came to in the last episode where the owner showed up and we did the deal right there. So we got this one for $90,000, contract signed, earnest money given to the real estate agent. We're just back to get some better pictures, to show my parents the house, and take a look again.
You take a picture with me?
Let's do it.
You take a picture with me?
Let's do it.
Where you leaving
I was
though?
just going to-
Thank you.
I love how you both knew what pose to do.
It's automatic. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Most of the rehab inside is already done. It obviously does need new siding, but the roof is also brand new. And there's a small little studio apartment in the back. So we're gonna go take a look at that while we wait for the agent to get here and let us in. So it does have a hot water heater, has electricity. I'm wondering if it has plumbing or not. It's kind of hard to get back here. So unless we found a better way to get back here, maybe not. I would definitely want to put like a gravel path back to this area so that, you know, it's easy to get back here. So most of it's installed and this is the rest of it here. This used to be the garage and is now the master suite.
Oh, that window? That's right. Well, there's an extra window over here. He was gonna put it over there to give that room another window.
We'll see. See where it falls in the budget.
Yeah.
So I was trying to figure out the other day, maybe they just didn't cut this yet.
Yeah. Unless they were.
It's not attached yet.
Oh, okay.
Did they still gotta cut a spot for the sink? Plumbing is ready.
So fridge must go right here.
Really? I was thinking right here.
Okay, so where's the stove going?
That's a great question.
Yeah, I feel like this is a weird place for a fridge.
That looks like a spot for a fridge, but
What's this
where's
connection?
the gas? That's the gas, yeah.
that's
This
the stove.
stove?
That's
So
yeah.
fridge might actually have to just be against this wall right here, huh?
Fridge gonna be right here.
Yeah, I'm thinking
You
fridge.
think
yeah.
so?
Oh.
I guess you guys are right. Oh, so this is the original hardwood. This is the original. This is what they just put down.
So it's old. Well, I don't know.
No? Do you see a date?
Yeah, it's older, I guess. I don't know. It might not be that old, but I never heard of Concord, have you?
No, I haven't. I'll get my guys to check it out. I think so, because it looks like they did new mud on the walls.
Yeah.
So yeah, this tile is not done yet, but this tile is up front, the rest of it, to finish doing the shower. And the
Oh, I like the floor and the tile
it
match.
matches, yeah.
That's very nice.
So this is toilet, that needs to be covered.
Yeah, that does need to
There's
be
no
covered.
sink plumbing though. Oh, here, behind me.
Oh, I see.
Ethan was asking if they had it, so that's good. I was trying to see if the paint job was all the way done.
Yeah, the ceilings look good. They did a whole lot of paint. I don't know if it's all done.
Rest of the flooring, and then the trim was it? Where was the trim? Trim was in here.
Oh, I like these walls too, right?
The doors aren't here, but there were a bunch of doors at that last house.
Yeah, I'm wondering if those are
Yeah, they might
the
be
doors.
surplus.
Is this going in the kitchen?
This is the tile that's in the bathroom. Right there.
See, this is how I know I'm a noob, because like you keep saying it's almost ready, and I'm like, how?
Yeah.
There's so much to be done.
Yeah.
I love it now, Lili.
Good stuff,
Going
right?
inside, seeing all the materials in there and stuff. It's just little elbow grease, and then outside the trimming and stuff to do the windows. That's not major stuff.
No, not major.
No, it's not major. You gonna put aluminum siding around the whole thing?
Vinyl.
Vinyl.
So this is actually the first house that I got under contract to, you know, BRRRR myself and not wholesale it. I could have wholesaled it probably around $5,000. Decided to keep it and BRRRR it myself. The closing on this one got delayed, so we're waiting until about mid-June, and then we'll be closing. And this is the same agent who we were just hanging out with today, who brought me all those pocket listings. That house that we just went to and the other two we saw earlier today, and a fourth one that I'm gonna get pictures of, all came because of this deal, because I, you know, built a relationship with the agent. I let her get double commission on the deal by using, you know, Jerry Norton's double dip strategy and representing me as well. So it's just, you know, a testament of building relationships with agents and then getting access to their pocket listings and closing more and more deals, whether you want to keep them for yourself or whether you want to wholesale them. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll definitely let you know how the offers on those properties go, and I'm excited to show you how, you know, my first foray into rehabbing and BRRRRing properties is. Don't forget to change the color of that like button, and until next time, thanks for watching.